Hello everyone, in today's video I will be creating this makeup look. Let's start. Firstly I am applying vita eye lifting eye cream and massage it gently. Now I am using PAC Wrap and Prime makeup fixer, and now I am using Swiss Beauty illuminating makeup base for shine. Brushing out my brows. Now I'm using Sugar Stick foundation shade 32. I'm doing single layer makeup, so I will be putting all the liquid products at the same time. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and now I'm using liquid bronzer and blend it and setting it some with loose powder. I use Fit Me concealer for my eyelids, and now I'm adding some orange eyeshadow on my inner corner and blending out. Now I'm cutting the crease with the help of Fit Me concealer. And fill it with silver eyeshadow. Now I'm using inglot black gel liner. Now I'm adding white kajal, adding some orange eyeshadow on my bottom lash line, making line on crease with the help of gel liner. Now I'm adding rhinestone. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Adding some lashes. Putting some highlighter on my cheekbones. I'm using Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it.